So this is the rear yoke on my Dana 20, and it's right back here that starts leaking. We're gonna remove the 1 1/8 nut holding on the rear yoke. Then, using a harmonic balance puller, remove the yoke. So this is the seal that we need to replace with a new seal. Obviously, just trying to use something as soft as I can to get that in place.